Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new store if you have a lifetime deal with Selldone. This guide will walk you through each step so you can take full advantage of your lifetime benefits and set up your next store quickly. Let's dive in. In your main panel from Menu, press Deals. You can also do this from the bottom of the page by selecting the I have a deal option. You'll see a list of your LTD deals. If they're not visible, please contact our support team for assistance. Click Create Store. On the new page, select to create new shop. Next, select your industry. If it's not listed, choose Other. Proceed to the following steps now. Enter your business name. Remember, you can always change it later in your dashboard. If you disable Install Sample Data, Selldone demo products won't be included. This option is optional, and you can delete demo products later if needed. Click Create. Please wait while Selldone sets up your basic store. Now your LTD store is ready to use. You can always check your license by going to Settings License. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new store with your lifetime deal in Selldone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.